Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to outline text in Krita. So let's create a text first. So I go to text tool, and after that I need to draw here a rectangle, maybe something like that. Then I need to select font that I want to use. For example, I click on Arial and I will increase font size by clicking here, and then I will select here maybe 48. Now I need to type here a simple text. For example, I type here outline text, and then I click save button to save changes. And now we need to close this window. How you see, our text has been successfully added to background. Now I will zoom in this text to show you how it works. After that, let's check if select shapes tool is selected, and then you need to click on your text. Now you need to go to tool options and you need to click on this one option. You need to click here solid color fill, and you can modify color. For example, I will click here on yellow. You can modify thickness if you want. For example, I will type here 13, or maybe I will decrease this value to 5. So how you see, outline has been successfully added to text. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.